Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan. Respectable principal sir, my lovely teachers, my brothers and my all fellows. Assalamu alaikum. Respectable teachers and my all brothers, as you all know, we are all gathered here to celebrate the 75th independence of our holy land, Pakistan. We got Pakistan as a gift and as a reward of decades of struggles and untold miseries suffered by our forefathers here. Independence is truly no less than a great blessing. You can freely feel a sense of independence and freedom while breathing under the fresh air. We all stand protected because of these independence. Dear teachers and my all fellows, before we move ahead to discuss what to be done tomorrow, the efforts of Qaid, the struggles of Iqbal, and the preaching of Sir Syed Ahmad, and the efforts of thousands of Muslim freedom fighters from all walks of life can never be ignored. One wonders how come in the old days the Jinnah and Iqbal, our true leaders, could achieve and brought us to Pakistan. The challenges are unending. So it should be our strategy. We have to work out against all of these challenges. Let's help our brothers and help our sisters and help our countrymen selflessly. Let's stand unity. Let's turn to a such solid entity that should spoil every nefarious tactic of our enemy. And last, we are all gathered and celebrating the event of 14 August. So I want to say you something. When I say Pakistan, you say Zindabad. Pakistan Zindabad. Wassalam.